What's up, everybody? It's your boy Larry with Sony, here to talk to you about something super exciting: software updates. Now, you might be thinking that software updates are not that important, but actually, making sure that your Sony Bravia with Android TV is fully updated is the best way to maximize the performance of your television. So let's jump right in so I can show you how easy it is to update your Sony Android TV. Now, the first thing you want to do is access the home menu by pressing the home button on your remote. Once the home screen comes up, navigate to the left and locate your app store. Once you select that, it'll bring up the available apps. Now you want to find the Help app. Once you find that, press Select. Once you choose that, you'll see a variety of options that are available to you. For the purpose of this exercise, we want to go to the System Software Update. Once you select that, it'll bring up a menu that gives you the opportunity to check and see if a software update is available. You're going to press Software Update. After a couple of seconds of checking, it'll let you know that either your software is in fact up to date or that there is an available software for you. If there is an option available, you'll select Install and then follow the prompts after that. And it's as easy as that. So should you have any more questions about keeping your Sony Android TV up to date, make sure you go visit us at Sony.com. And until next time, it's your boy Larry with Sony. I'll see you later.